hey. Today, Alberta's still freezing, so we drove to BC and we're here at Kicking Horse. Let's get it. This is the biggest mountain we've been to. And the ride here was dodgy. It was the sketchiest drive I've ever taken in my life. Brought the power boards out. It's going down. Haley, it's going down. Power sash, surfing all day. Oh yeah. We're in the powder capital. Kicking Horse, British Columbia, bud. In the town of Golden. Holy f***! I think I need a cold beer because this is f***ing insane. Haley, where are we?
In the middle of a pow field.
In the middle of a pow field, halfway down a Kicking Horse. So we were gonna go up there, but we didn't make the traverse. So we're taking a steeper run, getting it done. Our kicking ass kicked.
It's so cold.
It's not that cold. Come on, it's cold because we have the windows open because we just smoked a doobie in here. And last time we were up the lift, Haley, sit down. Last time we got off the lift, Buddy burned us because we were getting way too high in here. Now we got all the windows open.
Air it out.
And it out. Hopefully he doesn't catch us on this one. We'll see what happens. So the visibility up here is pretty aggressive. It's really hard to see. That is avalanche danger. We're not even allowed near that beyond that line. So, but the power is pretty good up here, boys. Let's get it. Nuts. Yo, look, super berm, dirt jumps. No, don't go in there. All right. Let's go in here then, Haley. You got it! Let's go home.